Almond Maple Cortado. The smoothest nutty coffee you need to try. Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making an Almond Maple Cortado, a smooth and cozy coffee drink with a nutty twist and natural sweetness. This cafe-style favorite blends bold espresso with creamy almond milk and rich maple syrup for a perfectly balanced sip. If you love simple yet flavorful coffee recipes, you're going to love this one. Let's get brewing. Ingredients: 1 shot of freshly brewed espresso. Your to 2 cup almond milk barista-style works best. 1 to 2 teaspoons pure maple syrup. Pinch of cinnamon. Directions: start by brewing your espresso and pouring it into a small glass or cup. A cortado is all about balance, so the ratio of espresso to milk should be close to 1:1. Next, heat the almond milk in a small saucepan over medium heat until warm but not boiling. Froth the milk lightly. You want a silky texture with minimal foam, not a thick froth like a cappuccino. Stir the maple syrup directly into the espresso until fully dissolved. This adds a natural sweetness with a warm caramel-like flavor that pairs beautifully with the nuttiness of almond milk. Slowly pour the warm almond milk into the espresso, holding back any excess foam, then gently add a thin layer of microfoam on top. For a finishing touch, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon if desired. Serve immediately and enjoy this smooth, slightly sweet. And that's your Almond Maple Cortado. Smooth, nutty, and naturally sweet. If you loved this cozy coffee recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your coffee crew. It's perfect for a quick cafe-style treat at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious coffee creation. Happy brewing and enjoy every sip. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3coffeelover.